Okay, so let's get on with the chart. Okay, so we will be doing some testing on the how to do the intraday, because the 1 hour time frame is basically for an intraday time frame. Okay, so if you are trading specifically the 1 hour order blocks, okay, so that means like no, the trade might be open and closed on very same day. Okay, and that's what basically I'm much more into it. Okay, so 4 hour and 15 minutes also I do, and the 1 hour and 5 minutes. So let's do some testing and let's look on some data and see how it works. Okay, let's backtest the whole month of June. So we are in July right now. So let's backtest the whole month of June. Let me just go back to in the time. 1 June is here. Yeah. Okay. So now we are at the
Okay.
June starting. So what is the first thing that we should do when you are on the chart? Like let's say you are on the chart right now. The 1 June have already been started here. So you open the chart. What is the first thing that we need to do is that we need to check the daily trend. Okay, so what trend we are in.
Daily.
Okay, we can make reversal trades, but it's always good to have trades in the direction of the daily. Okay, so what trend can you see in the daily chart? Can you identify?
We are in an uptrend. Yeah, we
Yeah,
are in uptrend.
a clear uptrend, right? Because like we can clearly see that we are making some higher high, higher low,
Yeah.
and higher high, higher low, and higher high.
Higher,
Okay,
high, high, low.
so let's
Yes.
let me just see. Now let's drop to the 1 hour chart. Okay, so now the second rule should be like once coming on the hourly chart, we will be plotting in order blocks on the 1 hour chart, and make sure that you are only selecting
Yes.
order blocks which are in the direction of the trend. Now we are in an uptrend, so we will be focusing on
So
buy order
why?
blocks. Okay, so can you
Yes.
spot any order blocks on the 1 hour, whatever you're seeing in front of the screen right now?
Yes, I can spot two
Yeah, can you show me?
actually.
Can you show me? Just
Okay.
draw. You can draw on the
Uh,
chart.
can I do that actually?
Yeah, you can just go on more and annotate, and you can draw here.
Where options
Annotate.
annotate?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Well, one of the charts, one of the how can I say it? Order block. It's I think here.
Mhm. Okay.
It's but this is one of the I think it's just one,
Okay. Okay.
and
Okay.
the other one I think it's one here.
Mm. Okay. Fine. Now let me show you what's actually it is. Okay. So what you can see is that yeah,
How?
that's correct. Whatever you have drawn was the first order block. This one was correct only. Okay, because we can see our structure has been broken. Okay, but what you can see, market have already mitigated this order block. Market have already came and passed this order block. That doesn't stays
Yes.
anywhere in the market. The order block should be unmitigated. The market shouldn't have came there, but if you can see, market though went up, order block was created, but it actually like in the next very few candles it already came below. Okay, so this is now not a valid order block.
Okay.
But
Okay.
now as you saw, you told me about this candle. Okay, yeah, this might be
Yes.
a valid order block, but like what you can see, the structure broke from here, the move started from here, and the last down candle that broke the structure, you can clearly see, is somewhere here, right? This is the last down candle. As you can see, the red color candle. Okay, the red candle, this is the
Yes.
last
Yes.
down candle before this massive up move. Okay, so order blocks are basically the last opposite candles before a massive up move. Fine. Okay, now you can
Okay.
see
Okay.
clearly
Yes.
why I have not taken, like, why I have not taken this, only this candle. Okay, this is the order block actually. You can see the blue box. Okay, but I know, as you can see, the wick have already came below the order block, so the main liquidity have been grabbed in this area. So I just don't want to take risk. I have taken the full area now. Okay,
Mm-hmm. Yeah. 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 Okay.
so
So
now
they
what we will do, we will have to wait until the market comes here, and then we will jump onto the 5 minute chart, right?
yes.
Like just let me run the chart. Okay, we are still not in that. Okay, fine. So now you can see we have tapped inside our 1 hour order block. Okay, so now it's time to take
Yeah.
a buy entry. But first we have to go to the low time frame, like the 5 minute chart, and wait for an
Five
entry.
minutes.
Now, how do we get confirmation here in the low time frame? Yesterday we discussed, right?
We have to go to the yeah, we have to go to an uptrend first,
Yeah, exactly. Okay, so as you can clearly see,
and then find
we are in a now
in the
nice
downtrend.
downtrend. Okay, so now we have to wait for a structure break to turn the market to the bullish side. As you can see, the last lower high is this one. Okay, so until we break this high, we are still in the downtrend only on the 5-minute chart. Okay, and we won't take any entry until we break this high. Okay, now let's
Yes.
see if we are breaking this high or not. Okay, as you can see, before we
We
break
have
this high,
to.
we already broke the 1 hour order block. So that means we have no more entry now. As you can see now,
Yes.
yeah, 1 hour order block. If we would have directly taken an entry on the 1 hour order block, by now we would have ended up in loss. But since we're waiting on the 5 minute to give us confirmation, we never entered any trade here because 5 minute never give any confirmation of entering the trade. So are you getting the point of
Mm-hmm.
importance of going down to the lower time frame and taking the entry just for an extra confirmation?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So now this order block is
Okay.
completed. Let me just delete this order block. Okay, as you can see now we had a very big impulse move, breaking many structures. As you can see, we broke the first structure. Where the line? Okay, yeah. So we first broke this structure. Okay, this lowest resistance
Yes.
broker. Then we also broke this
We
low.
broke.
As you can see, we were uptrend, but we have broke both the higher lows. So we are in a clear downtrend now. Okay, and as you can see the move is very impulsive and very fast. Okay, it's a clear drop of more than
Mm-hmm.
70-80 pips, I guess. Yeah. Okay, so now we're very focusing on a sell opportunities. Now where is your order block?
Uh, well,
Sell.
that's simple. It's wait, I this one.
This one. Yeah, that's correct. Okay, so this is our final last recent order block. Okay, let me just mark it here. And we also have one more order block here also because as you can see, this was also impulsive move.
Ah,
As you can
yeah, yeah,
see,
yeah, yeah.
we broke structure here as well. Okay, so but first, this is the recent order block and this is the extreme order block. If this gets violated, then we'll focus on this one. For now, our focus is here. Okay, as you can see the move
Okay.
is very big and order block is very small, so you can just go to a next bigger time frame. You can just to know if there is any possible chance of increasing order block. As you can see, you can just take 4 hour here, 4 order block.
Ah,
Now why I
okay.
took 4 hour? Just because
Yes.
the 1 hour was very small, very tiny candle. Okay, so I just extended my order block here. You can only do that only when your order block is very small. Then you can go to a next bigger time frame and increase the order block. Okay, because order blocks are basically the supply zones, and supply zones are not one candle, they are basically the zone. Okay, now
Mm-hmm.
this is
Okay.
order block. We will wait for the market to come here and then we shall take entry on the 5 minute time frame. So let's see what happens. Okay, so now as you can see, the market have
We
now came
touched
inside
the.
my touch my 1 hour order block. It's time to go down to the 5 minute, and obviously the 5 minute will be in opposite trend. As you can see, we want to go down trend. The 5 minute is in clear uptrend. Now we should wait for the 5 minute to change the trend to a down. Then we will take a sell trade, right?
Yes.
So we will just move on some chart. As you can see, market is very consolidating here. So now even if it breaks downside, even
Yes.
that will be a good breakout structure, I guess. Well, let's see. Okay, even this is very good. Okay, as you can see, we were in a nice consolidation here, and all of a sudden we broke to the down with really an impulsive move. Okay, as you can see, we broke all these consolidation area. Okay, we also have the imbalance area here. Okay, so now where is the order block
Yes.
here on the 5 minute chart?
Uh, I guess here.
No, order block. That's not an order block, right?
Ah,
So
order block. Oh, sorry.
yeah,
Uh, Here. This
yeah,
one, I
exactly.
guess.
That's exactly okay. So now we have an order block here because like we want to go down, right? So we will be focusing on sell order blocks. Yeah, this might be an order block if
Yes.
the market shoots up. Okay, so this is a 5 minute order block. I will just mark it to something some different color so I can differentiate between the 1 hour and the 5 minute. This is a 5 minute order block. So now we have everything. We had the 1 hour sell order block. We tapped here. Then we waited for the 5 minute to give us an order block. A 5 minute gave us a sell order block. Now we have a new order block. Now we can take entry. Now we can actually take an entry here. Our entry will be the open of the order block. Our stop loss will be just above the order block, not exactly high of your order block. That's very risky. Okay, just be a little bit above your
Mm-hmm.
order block. Okay, now where is my target? Where should I keep my target? Target is always basis on the chart where you took the order block. Now we took the order block on the 1 hour chart, right? We will just go